Hi classmates, this is Peyton describing the third university as possible. So when we look at the decolonization, this is what the third university stands for, going against the first and second world colonial institutions that are in place. So we want to decolonize the representation of this knowledge and the way that the structure and the mission is in place at the institution. We want to go against the power that is currently in place. So looking at the University of Alabama, we can see we have the machine. We have the way that the Greek system runs the student government, the way that that runs the institution itself. We see the white man as the institution's president. That is the first world university in place at the institution. That is who holds the power. The majority of students are white. This is a PWI. The whiteness is seen as part of the power within the system. The names of the buildings on campus, Graves Hall right here, we can see those are people of power, people that were slave owners, and trying to dismantle that and go against it, and having an African American USGA president, having Sabin lead a Black Lives Matter movement. These are all ways of dismantling and ways that the third university is in place simultaneously. Having our new vice president of diversity and inclusion, that is another way of trying to go against the systematic structure.